Namaste. Welcome to your prenatal asana series. We are going to practice Vrikshasana or simple tree pose. Vrikshasana is actually a stretching pose and it's really helpful in relieving all body congestions or tensions in the muscles from the entire body. This asana is actually very safe to be practiced in all trimesters. Just taking care not to overstretch, and while stretching, being mindful of the body. Because specifically in the third trimester, there is a tendency to overstretch and it can create a pain in either lower abdomen or the side muscles. So just being careful of that and breathing into the stretch is very important while practicing this asana. Otherwise, this is a safe practice. In this asana, we also lift our heels. So for some women, that can be a bit painful if they have a bit of leg pain or an ankle pain. So that can be avoided if there is pre-existing ankle pain or leg pains. Otherwise, you can even lift heels depending on the comfort of the woman and as much as she's willing to stretch her body. Now, if there is a discomfort in lifting the heels also, so that is why in these cases it can be kept flat on the floor. This asana otherwise helps you actually relieve the tension from the legs due to fluid retention or leg cramps. So giving it a good stretch is actually a good idea. If maintaining balance is an issue, then you can keep the heels on the floor. That's also is perfectly fine. Otherwise, giving a full stretch, lifting the heels is also a good idea to give a complete entire stretch to the entire body. It actually helps the calf muscles, the thigh muscles, hamstring muscles, and gives a good stretch to entire spine and the arms, shoulder area, back area, and at the same time, it also helps us improve our digestion system as any excessive gas releases from the body. So let's practice Vrikshasana. So we just interlace our hands, we take them up and lift our heels off the floor and give a good stretch. You can also keep your hands in Namaste. Keeping the stretch, inhaling and exhaling and releasing. We can do this stretch after the practice of the complete yoga series or the complete yoga class as well, because it helps relieve any muscle tension that must have happened during the yoga practice. And also, it's a good way to stretch your body even in the beginning when you're beginning the yoga session. Or it's otherwise a very good practice to start your day or end your day to relieve any muscle tension and then starting or ending your day. So this actually is a beautiful, nice, simple practice and has multiple benefits. Thank you.